Trained precision machinists are in demand right now.
We try to find the very best employees, and that's much more difficult than just hiring anybody off the street.
The Greater Altoona Career and Technology Center can train you for a great paying new job.
The Career and Technology Center is one of the first places I make a phone call to when we do start looking for new employees. In fact, in recent months, we've hired 4 machinists directly from their program.
Don't wait. Call the Greater Altoona Career and Technology Center, where careers come alive.